Okay, and the recording is started. Let me stop the transcription and I share my screen. So, today we are on the week 14, and for this week, you got the module related to accessibility. Several weeks ago, we discussed that this information might be important for you, but pay attention that you will have no any test or any task related to this theme. This model, I guess, is just for your information. Due to nowadays accessibility in definitely it's important thing. In some country has restriction for front end almost an country rules. So in case the your application is not follow some accessibility rules, you have no access to deploy this application in the web. For instance, in the Canada. But most case, it's no so important. I mean, for application, but I guess it would be necessary for any front-end developer know about this. And I guess you can find the time to look deeper in this theme. In the future, you can apply this knowledge for your application. And the next, as we discussed previous week, we didn't add two important assignment. One of them is related to different data structure, kind of binary tree, faster one of the fastest structure to be able to find any data. The next one is list and stack and queue. Uh, Basically, stack queue is closer to our array, but it's a bit different. And time to time, this knowledge is useful for me as a developer. But I'm not saying that it's necessary for me for daily routine. But I guess you should know about this data structure. Also, knowledge about this structure will useful for interview. So you should know what is the difference between stack and queue. Uh, what is tree, how to organize tree, and so on. So these tasks is more important for interview than the next one. So I would recommend to start from this assignment. The next is a set of tasks, some of them small, some of them a bit bigger, but it's a set of classical tasks, and some of these tasks perhaps in other condition, but so you will get in the interview. I'm not talking nothing only about interview within a school. I mean the interview in the company. Time to time after interview, the customer is not ready to get his answer related possibility to provide you a job offer. And when the customer needs some time or have some doubt related to solution, uh, they share some tasks for you and ask you to resolve this task within 1 week. And after this week, you should send the solution. And based on this solution, the customer will make a decision whether you worth a job offer or they should say just thank you for you. And there are several tasks that I can say too often you may find in such task from the customer. But just to remind that this knowledge is important for the nearest interview. This knowledge will be important a bit later. So please start from this one related to data structure. It would be necessary knowledge for interview to stage 2. And also, I hope that this week you will complete the task clean code. And finally, today, several hours ago, I have a first Q&A session with the mentor. And till the end of this week, I will distribute student by mentors. So currently we wait for a couple of days that all mentors complete the registration to ERES application. Then I will start assigning students to mentors. After you will see that some mentors appear in your ERES app, you will should send a message to this mentor, discuss the appropriate applicable time slot for you and for mentor for interview. And then after interview, mentors should decide is it your knowledge is enough for proceed learning, or you should make a pause, improve knowledge base, and only after that to move on. Uh, please do not hesitate to ask question within the interview. If you don't understand the question, or if you're not sure that you clearly understand what mentor wants to hear, please ask. Basically, our mentors is amazing guys that is open to question and with the desire answer all questions and share knowledge. So I will duplicate this information in the Discord, and I hope that till the end of this week, all students will get the mentors for interview. And most cases, this mentor will your mentor within stage 2. And that's all related to information from my side. And what about question? Do you have any questions, guys?
May I ask?
Yep.
How many mentors are available for interviewing to know our chances to move on?
Currently, I have 36 mentors, but some of them might be not complete the registration, but currently, according my opinion, every student can get the mentor.
So every mentor could take like 2 or 3 students.
Up to 10, it's only up to mentor availability. If currently mentor is not busy with the project activities, or he is on vacation and so on, and he has or she has enough free time, he can mentor 10 students. It's okay. But according to, as I can see, each student can get the mentor for interview. And if every student pass interview, they will get a mentor. We have enough mentors for now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And I see the question for the coding task in the interview. Will we be able to use our ID? Yeah, it's depend on the mentor, but from my experience as interviewer to the company, uh, definitely we ask to not use ID. Uh, as a developer, I set up my ID. It's kind of my helper, and I can forget a lot of information, but my ID knows it. So it breaks to understand, in disturb to understand whether the candidate has a good knowledge or has a good idea. So we prefer to use. It might be a blank notebook page. It might be code share resource or even a Word page. It doesn't matter, but not ID. But some mentors is absolutely okay if you share your screen with a blank page of ID and will start coding. So for a RES interview, it's absolutely okay. But preparing for interview for market or any other company, I would recommend you to try to write code to implement your solution from the scratch when you write by your hand each word of code. Oh, thank you. Do you have other questions? Okay. Seems no. Okay, let's stop the recording and thank you guys for attending and I wish you good
No.
luck on.
Message.
Sorry? Okay. Seems a bad mistake. Okay, and I wish you good luck during the interview. Thank you and bye bye.